Why me? Why only me? Why is it happening to me? That is our self-pity mode.
When I call a spade, no one is going to listen to this room. The men, when they call a spade, said, oh wow, what an emotion, wow, what are this thing.
Habits that we women have, which is a bit unique to us. And as we unveil those, please tell me if you agree, if you see it playing out, and how you would think we could strategically change those things. That's what we're hoping to have as a conversation. The whole session is about having brilliant minds from, 10 different organizations here today. And we can just have a conversation. And we can apply that thought of that habit. Where have I played it? How have I overcome it? Some of it is still work in progress. I'm okay to honestly say that. And how can I help myself even further to rise from where I am? So please, I welcome you to the session, and I hand it over to our master trainer Lakshmi to take us through the first part.
So I am a leadership coach with a certificate of stakeholder coaching training, and that helps me in dealing with regular coaching sessions. Of course, he does coaching certificates for one-on-one leadership coaching, but I do one-to-many.
Why me? Why only me? Why is it happening to me? That is our self-pity mode. Self-pity serves no purpose, okay? So you have to become an influencer. That's why you're here as leaders. So to be an influencer, you want to be authentic also. You just don't want to influence for the sake of being a famous person. You want to do it so that you help others and yourself.
The team. So when we are assigned or to do some stuff and make sure we complete it, I have the habit of doing it fast, and since I'm just used to doing certain things, I tend to complete it, and then I realize that probably I'm a little too rushed, and I want to do it first and realize that the others are going a little slow. Half the time I downplay, wait to see if the others are somewhere through and then achieve it. So sometimes that sort of pulls me down, and I downplay that accomplishment, where I know.
And we don't even realize that we've been doing so much, and only when somebody comes and tells you that, oh my God, you did this, then only you realize that, oh, is it? Okay, that's part of my life now. What am I trying to, boast about it? When it becomes a routine for you, that you've been doing it consistently for so long, you don't even realize that you've done great things in your life.
And when you want to talk about your accomplishments, let's say you're coming for a promotion in the company or a raise, whatever you're coming for, or just for yourself to feel better when you're feeling down. Oh my God, but I've done so much. Your mind can't remember it all because, as you said, it's business as usual. So if you have a success journal habit that you start forming, it helps get rid of most of these bad habits that hold us from rising.
Yeah, in the process of acknowledging, right, I felt like half of it goes away. And then I do things that make me happy, like take a walk, play with my kids, or just take time out for myself, just go to work, switch off from home, and then let it all consume me in a way that somehow half of the problems would go away with that.
When I call a spade, no one is going to listen to this room. The men, when they call a spade, they're going to be said, oh wow, what an emotion, wow, what are this thing. When I say that in the midst of a leadership meeting, I'll be told, oh yeah, she's emotional. See how aggressive I become. You can see that, right? So sometimes I think even that emotion comes out a burst when you are saying, I can hear you, I can feel you, you can see my body language, you can this. But sometimes I'm now thinking, some battles, I'm going to let it go. I'm going to stay calm.
I found that we have a pet animal inside, which is gut microbes. So every time they say that these pinpricks, by ruminating again and again, you are the one who's converting it into a stress.
On a long-term, everyday meditation, that will be the last closure. On these thoughts, on these positive thoughts. So you extract the lesson, but you let go the emotion. And now I invite you to focus on your breathing. Just inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Be aware of the sounds around you with no judgment at all, nothing to change, just breathing in and out.
How to be a leaderன்றதுக்கு ஒரு seed வந்து நம்ம இங்க இருந்து gain பண்ணிக்கலாம்.
I've learned how to handle emotions. It's been a tough thing to handle emotions, but I got a lot of good points from here.
Champion a woman, she will build the nation.